Plugs into car harness. Power, 4-speaker. 20-pin plug. Allows for the installation of an aftermarket radio using the existing factory wiring and connectors. No cutting of factory wiring needed. For 1998 Honda, connect power and 4 speakers. Wiring harness for 1998 to 2013 Acura, Suzuki and Honda vehicles. Top reviews from the United States. Saved so much time. Purchased an aftermarket radio for a 2008 Honda Pilot and this wiring harness made the job much easier. Just unplug the old stereo and plug the new one in. Definitely worth buying.